A very good morning. Myself, Kevin Blessing Paul, and I studied from Mercy Memorial School. When I was studying, I came to know from my seniors that the Militaire Academy is a very good institute and has helped them achieve their goal of being in the NDA and subsequently become officers. So it was only natural for me to come here. And when I did, in the short span of 1.5 months, I came to know why there have been over 1,000 officers selected from this academy. Because here it's not rote learning, but we are guided and told to express ourselves. Even when I came here, I used to give pretentious answers to impress the other person. But Sir and his team guided me that we should be not pretentious, but we should express our true selves. We should be comfortable in our own skin, and we should have thoughts which are naturally aligned with good values. Therefore, I would like to thank Sir and his team and this academy from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.